bit of career tips from the people who hire, right? This is my friend who is a senior full stack engineers in Magic. Okay. Now, he said he has been screening a lot of CVs lately when hiring full stack developers. Number one, don't put Microsoft Office as your skill set. Yeah, this is a programming role, and this is not Office admin role. And also, when you're designing your resume, right, give a rating for your skills, like what Ruben did with yours just now. I think this is more and more becoming a trend. So, quantify it, right? Data scientists, we love numbers. So, your PHP at 5 star, maybe as good as another humble guy with 3 stars. So, giving rating of your skills do not really help people to understand how good you are at it. So, what you can do, he wants you to show your projects that you have done and what are the challenges that you face. A lot of people only talk about good things in their portfolios and their resume, right? Talk about the challenges and how you overcome the challenges. I personally think that that's even more interesting. And if you find yourself that only have FYP projects or you don't really have anything to showcase, this is actually what we're trying to help you to overcome here as well, right? Build some portfolios, come back with some side hustles, and also this one, he looks into hobby. That's fine, but last thing is very important, right? Now, the basic skill sets that he expect you to have: Git version control, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, understand different file formats, etc. So these are the very elementary, I don't know, fundamental stuff that you need to know. But the hiring process is definitely not that difficult as we have thought, right? You must be able to showcase your projects. You must be able to show how you overcome challenges. And of course, they look at your culture fit as well, right? Whether you fit the job or not.